Hi, this is David Bruce Leonard from the Earth Medicine Institute. We are here in, where are we? Nu'u. We are here at Nu'u Bay and we are overlooking this really beautiful area. Alan and Ian have just gone out to try and catch some fish for our dinner. Sunny. Sunny Savage has just had us gathering wild seeds, halikoa, kukui nuts, all kinds of things for our meal. Sunny Savage is making wild foods to activate our wild DNA.
Our wild DNA, that's right. I have a little bit of coconut just simmering in some coconut oil, which we're going to add some halikoa seeds. Now I'm going to make sure and toast these for quite a while. We also have some halikoa super young pods that we're going to put into a miso soup with some burdock. Into this mixture, we toasted up a bunch of wild grass seeds. So we've toasted them and now we're going to mortar and pestle these. And then for dessert, we've got a combination of kiawe flour and coconut flour cake that's going to be on the griddle.
That's fantastic. What's the best thing about wild foods?
The best thing about wild foods is that they bring the wild inside. They really bring it into our bodies. It's not, there's no separation, you know?
Because it's quite strong. Come and join us sometime at the Nature Skills Certification on Maui. Or go to our website, earthmedicineinstitute.com.